Hello team. So this is a live web chat and client desk and ticket help center which I'm going to show you. So this is the dashboard. So here you can check how much assigned tickets we have, active pay ticket, total closed ticket and all. You can manage this. So here these are some user login which we had done. So this is the admin data. Like if you log in as a user, so user data will come here. If you are logging as an admin, then admin data will come here. Here you can check their reports, assign and close. After that we have an admin report. So these are admin dashboards. So here you can check how much active members we have, tickets, active ticket and assign, monthly reports we can check and all. After that we have some settings. Let me show you the settings also. So here you can check or set up your time zones, currency and format. Here you can default like user can log in or not, registration enable, disable. You can set up you enable user online check or not, like that. So you can set up these things easily. After that we have a captcha. So here you can set up captcha. Theme. So here you can set up theme, or you can change if you want to change something like logo and header, home page. Disable, if you want to disable something, then you can enable or disable all the thing. After that layout and color, you can manage that. Full upload, so you can upload, you can manage tickets like guest ticket is there or not, all priority or guest ticket or not. So you can manage that, or any staff can reply or not. These are some options which you can easily enable or disable. So this is notification. So when notification will come or not, you can manage that. Security settings we have. So admin panel security you can enable, disable. Site security we have like attack security. So what you want to done, you can done. Or here like status. So if you enable, then app check country for allow or block. Spam emails, so you can set up your spam emails. Email settings we have. So here you can send email, like we are using SendMail and SMTP. You just need to add key, then it will work for you. Email to tickets, so here you can manage that. Chat settings we have, so you can enable or disable chat. So like Facebook chat, default chat, which chat you need to allow, so you can chat with user if you enable it. Google Analyze we have, custom CSS, and these are some setting. This is for an admin purpose. This is a ticket assign rule. So here you can create or you can add, you can download as well data. After that you can check email templates. So these are some template. Custom fields we have, so you can set up. Site menu we have, so here you can manage the site menu. Top bar icon, IP list. So here you can set up IP, so in which IP you are working. So here you can set up your IP. Lock user, so here you can check lock user data. If you lock, then the data will come here. Pages here you can manage add-ons. After that we have some API settings. So like social login, so you can log in with Google, Facebook, Twitter and all. After that remote server login, so you can manage that. If you want to log in with server, then you just need to add some data, then it will be done. Envato we have, so you can manage Envato. We are using Envato API, so here you can set up. Elite Lancer we have, Mailchimp we have, so you can set up Mailchimp as well if you want to Mailchimp. You just do a key and it will work for you. Payment basic settings, so here you can set up like which currency you are working. We are using PayPal, Stripe and Paddle. These are gateway. You can set up your gateway key, then it will work all types of transaction. Here you can check user list, so these are user lists. You can manage menu, you can edit, delete, or you can create. After that we have a role list, so here you can edit, delete, you can add role. Roles access we have, so here you can manage role and role access, what roles you want to assign or not. Here you can manage add new role and all. App information, so you can manage that. Payment list, so all types of payment transaction will come here. You can download as well if you want to download any data. This is a staff menu. I already show you this are some admin logins. So this is a staff menu who manage tickets. So this is a dashboard. So this dashboard I already show you. This is dashboard like how much assigned tickets we have and all. After that tickets. So if user or if your staff want to create ticket, then they can create ticket. They can check all active, my active paid ticket, close, assign and all tickets. Web chat we have, so these are chat panel. You can chat with user. You just need to select user and all that. Currently we disable it chat option, that's why it's just opening button, nothing is come. Chat can message data is here, so you can manage or you can create. After that, ticket feedback. So if user done any feedback, that data will come here. Announcement we have, so you can manage announcement. After that, we have a knowledge. So here you can set up knowledge, or you can create multiple knowledge. FAQ, so you can set up FAQ, your testimonials. After that, here are some category. So here you can set up your category. If subcategory was there, you can manage a subcategory. These are category only on ticket or only on knowledge, or both we can use it. After that, this are can message. After the client data here, so you can check client, you can create client, what client you want to add. Here are some menu, you can add it, you can email password reset link, you can view details, so you can manage that also. After the some messages we have, so you can check my message, send message. So these are some features which I already show you. So if you have any doubts, query, so you can connect with us, we will help you to solve that query. Thank you.